and welcome back to Curly Beauty 13. I'm Tiffany, and in today's video I'm doing the August 2022 CurlBox unboxing. If you'd like to see what's in the CurlBox for this month, just keep watching. Also, if you'd like to see what's in my hair from a previous CurlBox, stay to the end so I can share the details with you. Here is my CurlBox, and let's see what's inside. So far, this box is a mess. I'm going to show you the mess right now. This looks like it's spilled all over the place, which is not really what I wanted. The first two items is a shampoo and conditioner. It's the PALMER'S olive oil formula. It says Shine Therapy shampoo and Shine Therapy conditioner, and that's these right here. Something spilled all over this box, and even though it smells really good, it's kind of annoying that it's a mess. Also is a Shine Therapy deep conditioning pack. I don't know what's spilled. Also, we have the Shine Therapy leave-in conditioner, a strong roots scalp serum, and then this is the conditioning hair and scalp oil. The top is off. It's like in pieces. So this is the spray and then the cap. And last but not least, and maybe this is what, I don't know, there's something red, and I don't know what is red in here. Nothing looks red, so this is kind of alarming. No, this is closed, so I don't even know what spilled and what is this red color. But this is the growth therapy. I'm gonna have to take a picture of this and send it to them because this is really messy. This is the PALMER'S olive oil formula. This is the booklet, and the inside is really nice too. It says glorious. I'll read the top. It says, we have reached peak summertime heat. It's as hot and humid as it can get, and we all know that sweat, heat, humidity, and styled hair are not a combination that works well together. But just because your hair might be doing its own thing doesn't mean you stop showing it some tender love and care with a good maintenance routine. Even if you've gone the way of box braids or other protective styles all summer 22, you should still get into these products via PALMER'S olive oil formula Shine Therapy. This month, PALMER'S is here to help you achieve irresistibly soft and shiny hair while nourishing your dry scalp and getting those frizzy strands together with formulas that contain sustainable and ethically sourced ingredients like extra virgin olive oil and Jamaican black castor oil. The cherry on top is that you won't find sulfates, parabens, phthalates, mineral oil, and gluten. And then it says here's a breakdown of what's in store, and it talks about the shampoo, conditioner, the deep conditioning pack, the hair and scalp oil, the leave-in conditioner, the growth therapy, and the hair and scalp serum. I'm gonna write to CurlBox and just let them know that there was a mess in my box. I don't know what was spilled. It doesn't even look like anything. I don't know. I'm so confused. But anyway, that's the CurlBox for August 2022. Hopefully if you got a CurlBox or if you're getting one, it's not as messy as mine is. As of right now, on the CurlBox website, there are a few non-subscription boxes available. You can always check this out to see what's on there. Now let's get back to the video. Okay, so I told you that at the end I'll mention what I used in my hair. Today I styled my wash and go with the Maui Moisture Frizz Free plus Shea Butter Leave-In Conditioning Mist and the Maui Moisture Frizz Free plus Shea Butter Elongating Gel. So far my hair feels great. I like how my curls look. They have a lot of bounce and they feel not weighed down but still good. There's a little bit of a hold, no crunch. I have been having a hard time with all gels and all products because of the humidity this summer. I did use the other products that were in the CurlBox with these items, that curl oil gel, and I did like it. If I could find a clip of my hair, I'll put it in right now. I did like it, but my hair has not been lasting for more than 2 or 3 days because of how humid it's been in New York right now. I also use the shampoo and conditioner that came with that curl oil gel line. I think it was, what was it? Neem. I'll put it here, but I did like that shampoo and conditioner also. If you would like me to do a full review on these products, please let me know down below, and I will see you in the next video. Bye.